In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can cut a video in VLC Media Player. So let's get started. So first is we need to open VLC Media Player. So go ahead and go in the search bar and type VLC. Click on VLC Media Player under the best match. Now we need to open the video first. So click on this media tab. Click on open file and then simply choose as to where you have saved your video. Okay, so let me just go with this video and click on open. So from here, in order to cut the video, we need to simply look at the options or the tabs at the top and we can find this view tab. Now click on advanced controls. Okay. Okay. So once you have clicked the advanced controls, you will notice this icons right here on the left pane. You have this to record, take a snapshot, loop from point, and this one frame by frame. So in order to cut the video, just simply move this to the very beginning and then click on this record symbol, the one in red color, red circle color. Click on that and then click on this play icon. Okay. And then you just need to simply let it be played until to the part that you want to cut. Okay. So let's just play it, uh, this video until we can get into the part that we need to cut. So I want to stop at this portion. So this portion will be the cut for the video. So click again on this like red button or red circle button. Okay, and then pause the video. Okay. So now this is the portion that you have got. Now let's see as to where we have saved the video. Minimize this and then right click at the start button and select File Explorer. Now click on videos and here it is. Okay. So this is the portion of the video that you have got from the VLC Media Player. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.